Oh, not to mention I had Siegfried. I had an English kind. I got it myself, but then I traded it for the Japanese Scorch. Plus this Starburst Tarantula. Just kidding about the Tarantula. This is my new one. It looks like I have this. Alright. I nearly forgot to slow down when I got to one of the interesting bits. If you'd like to see this, I got this for my birthday. Alright. Invisible. These are invisible cards. I have an invisible atlas in here. Even an invisible Saturn saw. It was all empty. These are blank pages, so you do not want to mess with it. Don't worry, it will become visible very soon. Not very soon, but it might take time. To the last page ever. That's the last. Oh, and by the way, you could figure out my secrets underneath here. Oh, plus this mutated thing, it's actually a fake one.